Okay, phone very broken, very. Let's go to video. Let's go. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today Note 8 Xiaomi very broken, very awesome. Let's go to fix phone. Voltage power 4 voltage 4 voltage and ampere 1. Okay, fix the module charger battery phone and testing a main phone Note 8 Xiaomi socket charging battery. Okay, 0 ampere main. Okay, let's go to fixing main and LCD touch and flat main charging battery. Flat main and charger phone Note 8 Xiaomi. Fixing the main and charging board. Okay, and glass LCD phone Xiaomi. Okay, CD. Fixing the mobile and testing the main board. Fixing the socket LCD and touch phone. Okay, and module charger board. Fixing the socket battery. Okay, let's go to testing the main board phone Note 8 Xiaomi power. Okay, Realme by extension. Okay, let's go. Okay, Realme Note 8 Xiaomi. Please. Okay. Touching. Okay, LCD. Okay, and okay. Main board. Okay. Part 2 video fixing a complete phone and frame and battery and flat and LCD, fixing a LCD touch and camera and very complete phone. Let's go to part 2 video.